Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the source image so OCR can succeed. Use a phone or scanner at roughly 300 dpi, hold steady, and align the document so edges are parallel to the frame. Once done, eliminate glare and shadows, and increase contrast in the camera or photo editor if text looks faint. Save the result as PNG or high-quality JPEG. These preserve sharp edges. Now open your chosen OCR tool, native app or web service, and import that cleaned image to begin recognition. Next, run the OCR process and focus on accuracy settings. Select the correct language and any multilingual options, and enable layout analysis so columns, headers, and tables are preserved. If available, pick a higher accuracy or slow mode. It improves character recognition. After the run, review the preview and fix common issues like merged lines, split words, or misread characters. Use the tool's manual text selection or zone mode to rerun OCR on problem areas for better results. Finally, export your recognized text to the editable format you need: docx for heavy editing, TXT for plain text, or searchable PDF to keep layout. Once exported, run a spell check and reflow paragraphs, fix fonts, spacing, and reconstructed tables. Make sure to compare critical numeric data and dates against the original image. If persistent errors appear, rescan at a higher DPI, improve lighting, or try a different OCR engine. Often switching engines resolves language or font-specific misreads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.